Oh, it's the other side?
Yeah, I got to start on the other side.
Okay.
Money gas.
Oh, gotta go get some gas. Shit. Hey, I saw you get the info to get in. I'm right here just, you know what I'm saying? I'm just, doing me real quick. Yeah. So you say you want to take a break?
Well,
I'm in.
yeah, just to go get some gas. But it's I got this.
What else you got going on?
This tab right here. So far, we didn't got the upper part of the whatever this is, lift gate that's welded to the frame. Oh, my fault. And for now, the right side, we just got to get one little tab, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna hang. You know, we got it jacked up, but there ain't really no tension on it yet.
Yeah, we got some little cut.
Once I get back.
All right, let's do it. Take a little break.